Hey everyone, welcome to today's Python project where I'm going to go over nested for loops. So quite similar to a normal loop, nested for loops are for loops inside another for loop. So for starters, I'm going to create some lists x, y, and z, each one storing 3 integers, 1 through 9. So I'm going to do a for lowercase x in x. So it's going to go looping through each element in the x list. And I'm going to print out x. And in each line, it's going to print out one of the elements from 1 to 3. So next, let's do another for loop, and this is where the nested for loop term comes into play. So I have for y in y in for x in x. And I'm going to print out a format string of coordinate because it's going to actually loop through 2 elements now. It's going to assign for x in x, and that's going to be a value of 1. And then it will loop through all the y elements. So it's going to be 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And then it will go to the next element in x to be 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, etc. And when I print out the coordinates, it will be in parentheses and have a comma in between. So it prints out all the possible combinations for this format. And then one step further, I'm going to do another nested for loop for the z values in the z list. So I'm going to do for z in z. Now saying it kind of is difficult to follow, but when you see the uppercase and lowercase, it's kind of easy to differentiate. And I'm just going to add that z into the format string, and now it's printing out all of the possible combinations for these 3 lists. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on format strings. Make sure to subscribe for more content. See ya.